what happened to Play2Earn games and NFTs this week, January 23rd, 2022. So we're going to be reading this article on GameFi at CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria, article by Andrew Segingov. So if you buy keys, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so you get and also turn on notifications. This allows you to get notified whenever we drop beneficial updates. So back to the news, it says these are the table of content, loads of them. So we're picking out the main important points. So OpenSea's trading volume hits records highs of $3.5 billion. You have analytics from Dune Analytics. It says the NFT marketplace has now engulfed its previous ATH of 3.42 billion from August last year and its 3.25 billion sales in December. So this is a good innovative one from OpenSea. Next on the news, we have Coinbase to allow users to buy NFTs Mastercard. So game changer, we are excited to announce a new partnership with Mastercard. Stay tuned as we work to unlock a new way to purchase NFTs using Mastercard. So you can learn more here. This is the official Twitter handle on Coinbase. It's a US-based crypto exchange. Coinbase has inked a deal with Mastercard to simplify the process of buying NFTs on its forthcoming NFT marketplace. So during an interview accompanying the news, Coinbase senior product director for payment and commerce Prakash Armani explained that the crypto exchange is interested in making the process of buying digital collectibles very easy. He argued that having had success in its on-ramp to crypto feature for newcomers, Coinbase looking to replicate the same success in this NFT space. They want to do the same thing for NFTs with MasterCard by solving the pain points to make it as easy as possible to buy an NFT and make sure it's the best consumer experience. So those are some of the perks, guys. It says Solana-based NFT platform Metaplex raises $46 million. It says Sheon thrilled to announce the multi-coin cap has co-led a $46 million strategic investment in Metaplex alongside our friends at Jump Crypto HQ with participation from dedicated supporters including Jump and more. So Metaplex, the protocol behind millions of Solana NFTs, has raised $46 million from several big names, including NBA legend Michael Jordan. So the round was co-led by investment firm Multicoin Capital and Jump Crypt, with Animoca Brands, Solana Ventures, Alameda Research also participating. So more than 90 individual investors also took part in the round, including legendary basketball player Michael Jordan, retired NBA star Allen Iverson, and current players like Joel Embiid and Kevin Love. Speaking to Crypto News site, the Crypt Stephen S., director of the Metaplex Foundation, confirmed that the funds will be used to develop Metaplex's developer tools and feature sets. The company will also target expanding the potential use cases for Solana NFTs beyond the fast-rising NFT-driven metaverse and video games, he said. So we'll have an iOS SDK and a Android SDK coming out this year, which are going to be all allow this newest generation of mobile apps to be built quickly. It will solve a lot of tension and difficulty that the software engineering community at large had working with the blockchain and specifically Solana, which can be tricky. So next in the news, we have the SunBoss parent company and Imuka, now valued at $5 million. So we're able to announce we raised there's a lot of dollars figures in a round. LC Ventures, this values an Imuka brands at $5 billion per morning. We continue to advance on glorious plans for the OpenSea metaverse and NFTs. Great things ahead. Press release, yeah. So that's a new one from there. We have AMC rewards shareholders with free NFTs. So AMC NFTs emails are being sent out. Check those spam folders for more. I got 27682 of 558,000 or 580,025 post yours in the replies. That's a good one. So emails detailing how to claim your AMC Investor Connect. Our own AMC NFT will be sent. So that's for AMC users. Then we have Poppypole taps on NFT to support Ariana Grande's animal rescue charity. So this is a picture of the Ariana Grande's picture. It's a rare NFTs available now. Proceeds benefit Orange Twins Rescue. Weekly drops February 13th. We have game day February 13th. So coming out free common, rare, legendary, mortar, and loads of them, guys. Sadly, Discovery announced the news last week, but it wasn't until the week that Twitter users got wind of the event. As expected, some people expressed their displeasure over the decision to include NFTs. Twitter user Treto wrote, "It's been we've been watching what the Poppypole ever since I got Phoenix, so I can't believe year 8 is where we stop watching it. So because they got into NFTs." Then we have G2 Sports team to launch NFTs as membership pass. So you want to check out these uploads from G2 Sports NFTs escorts teams. Then we have Tom Brady's autograph platform raises $170 million. The big news on the autograph front. We are pumped to add some really knowledgeable people in the Web3 space to our team. So this thread from Citizen includes some great context on our business. The Web3 is just a tech movement, it's a cultural one. That's why I'm excited to announce that we are co-leading a series investment in Tom Brady's autograph company, Ariana Simpsons, and more. Next on the news, we have Metato to debut NFT marketplace as Twitter enables verified NFTs. So this is a good one from Twitter, although there are loads of people that are currently not in favor. Like we have Elon Musk wishing Twitter could channel their energy into securing the NFT space and preventing it from scammer as well as other pegs in the crypto world. So NFT profile photos a year. Connect your wallet and get started today. So that's how the NFT world is moving. So guys, that's all we have to do on crypto news, weekly roundup, Play2Earn and more. You should buy keys. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, and then see you in our future uploads, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and stay blessed.